Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at how you could give temporary access to files in Google Drive. Please note it'll be comment and view only, and after 30 days, that is when the temporary access will be removed. Of course, you could make it shorter if you'd like to. So we're going to go up into Share, and I'm on my school account, and I'm going to share this with my personal account. Now, you could make them a viewer, commenter, or editor. I'm going to leave it as an editor for right now and select Send and Share anyway. Okay, so it's been shared. Now I'm going to go back in, and I want to change that person to just temporary access where, again, they can comment and view only. When you do this, you can see it is a 30-day window. You could, of course, go ahead in and then change it. Let's just say to the 22nd. You can see the access will expire in 13 days, and you can go ahead and select Save. Of course, you can always go back in and change that as well. You can see it changes to commenter right there because of the temporary access. Show you what it looks like on my personal account. Okay, so here it is. Let's go ahead, select it, and you can see it is just a comment and editing right in here. So I can just go ahead in, and if I want to add a comment, I can certainly go ahead and comment right in there. But again, I can't edit anything at all. You can see though, I could, as it says there, ask the owner to share, and it says you're a commenter and can't share. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.